Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Here we talk about building value, sharpening your mindset, and finding practical solutions. Subscribe for more value, mindset, and solutions.
Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a blessed and wonderful day. My name is Mark Adamson and I'm here to encourage you with all the energy that I have because I want to see you elevate your thinking, your mindset so you can grow daily. So, I am here. I'm going to talk about the word lead. Okay? And L stands for learning. In every situation, it doesn't matter if you're young, in college, or you're in a job, or you're an older adult, 50s and up. There is always room for growth. And what's happening in today's society, a lot of us are not using the ability to learn that's already in us, the potential that's already in us to grow and learn in different areas. We always say it's too hard and we cannot do it. But you can do it if you have the change of mindset. And it depends on what you're looking to learn. You might be looking to learn mechanics. You might be looking to learn to become a doctor. You might be looking to read more, watch more tutorials on how to do things. Or you might just decide that, look, I'm going to go to a seminar or I'm going to go to a webinar and learn more about a specific topic or a skill set that can take me to the next level. And that's the only way it's going to happen. You have to have an open mind for learning. Now, let's look at E. After you learn, you have to evolve into something that a lot of people are ashamed of because they're thinking of their friends, what they might say. Well, he has changed. He's not the same. He's not the person he used to be. He's evolved into something. And we don't know what it is. And we try to reason with him. And, he's still stuck on a different mindset. So, you know what? I think it's best for us to leave him alone. And it's like that in the world. The more you learn and the more you evolve in life, the more people decide, like, you know what? I don't want to be around this guy. I don't want to change. I want to hang out with the same losers. I want to hang out with the same people that are comfortable in their area. And let's kick it together and don't grow and don't learn anything in life. And just hang out on the corner or hang out at home or watch football, etc., etc., etc. Now, the next letter is A, adapt. Now, you have to adapt after you learn and evolve. You have to adapt to things that are, is going to help you reach the next level in life. Okay? And then last but least is deliver. Deliver in promises, deliver in commitment. A lot of people promise you stuff and, they have word of mouth and they're not honest or they have no kind of integrity. But your character is what's going to make you successful. Not the fancy things in life. How you deliver yourself as a person is going to make you be successful versus having all the material things showing off that, hey, you know what? I'm a winner. I got this trophy. But that doesn't mean nothing without a character, without a kind heart trying to help others and be valuable and be humble at the same time. You got to be humble. A lot of people get to a level that, you know what? I made my money. I got my billions, my millions, my thousands. I'm comfortable. I don't have to hang out with this person. I don't have to go and give back to the community. I don't have to do anything. I just want to enjoy my life. And it's all about me, selfish or me. And you don't even try to deliver what you have learned to other people, to build them up to become leaders. Well, I hope you have got great value from this video. And always remember, you're too blessed to be stressed. Make it a great day.
Victory with Ash isn't just about a single win. It's a mindset that travels. From Nairobi to New York, Mumbai to Madrid, people are stepping up, sharing strategies, and lifting each other.
Together, we turn lessons into triumphs. When one of us wins, we all feel the lift.
Did you receive value? Like, share, comment. See you at the top.